Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 7a, and today I will show you how we can insert a SIM card into this device. So, to get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector like this one, which comes provided with the device in the box. Now, if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom left side of the device. Right over here where the pin is holding. Push the pin in, and as you can see, the tray comes out ever so slightly, and now for you to grab it and take it out. Now, Pixel, at least this one specifically, has only space for a single SIM card. So that's what I'm going to place right over here on the tray with the chip side up, and then put it back into your device. And the card should start working right away. So, there we go. It already found reception, so that's it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.